Scotty, what have we gotten here? Oh, it's all done. Oh.
Yes, that's like that because the light
There's
fixture goes
light
in
and
there
the
and
handle.
makes it tight. So I just got to trim for where the screw holes are, just that little bit. I'll just make a small little divot. So if you look through, see where the screw holes are?
Yeah.
That's all I got to do. And I'm letting this dry right now because I just finished it, so I don't want to play with it much. So once this is completely dry, I'll give it a couple hours. Granted, I would prefer 24, but I can start getting everything back into the car.
That can start going together.
Yep.
Look at that. Look at that.
It came out really, really good. I'm very happy.
And then the lower panel where the vinyl pleather.
Oh, that's right. I still got to do that. So yeah, we're not 100% ready to put it back in yet.
Because you got to do that quick. So while that's setting up, you could probably do the pleather, eh? The pleather. The pleasure pleather. Forever, ever?
Forever, ever?
Oh, look at the chrome trim. You fancy. Looking good.
I love this car. I really do. It's an amazing car. It's so beautiful.
So next step's going to be pleather.
I'll do the leather, pleather, however you want to call it. Get that taken care of. Let that dry.
Leather, pleather, vinyl.
So it might be a full 24 hours before it goes in then. I don't want it to be, but I don't want anything coming undone. And this stuff is really good glue, but maneuvering it might
be a biatch.
Yeah, exactly. And I don't want to have to redo it.
Fun.
It is what it is.
Yeah. All right, so we got that going. Looking good, Mr. Scott.
Thank you, thank you.
And on to leather.
Yes. Let's get that in the.
Let's get a clip of that. Why you always go through here? I'm fat. It's hard for me to. Oh, I can fit this time because your car's not pulled in far enough. Good. Ooh, plenty of leather.
So now that we've got here, let's get into the light a little bit.
Oh yeah, we've conversed.
So
as
you can tell, it's just coming unglued. There's no damage.
As opposed to Scotty coming unglued,
right? Which there would be damage. So I'm just going to start re-gluing this.
Just give it a little glue.
And then I'll run some tape across the inside to hold it. I mean, the glue's just starting to lose. Yeah. So
all right,
I'll get that taken care of. Get everything pressed in.
Good job.
And give it time to dry. But I mean, it's stunning.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, I even brought a piece from home, so I had something to set it on and keep it safe. I don't want anything to happen to this stuff.
Beautiful.
Do you know how hard it was to get that into the truck and get it here?
Probably made Bernsey help.
I did.
Oh, of course.
I did, because I can't lift that by myself.
All right, so that's going together. Scotty's going to give that a little quickie glue and tape, and then in a couple hours, I'd say in a couple hours, let's get that put together so we can do the side-by-side.
Yeah.
I think it'd be really good to do the side-by-side, and then we'll be like, all right, it's like halfway.
Yep, exactly.
And then we can go from there.
So let's get this back to its safe point.
All right, so Scotty's on it. He's going to tar and feather that.